I wish this is the plan I had on day 1 to become a web designer in 30 days. And yes, you can change your life in this 30 days. I have designed this 4-week plan with various shortcuts so that you can change your designing career forever. In this 4-week, you will become a master in web design and development using Figma, Webflow and Framer. Yes, this is possible. Let me give you an outline of this journey. In first week, you will master design fundamentals along with Figma using my shortcuts. In second week, you will master Webflow and Framer using my shortcuts. In third week, you will practice everything using AI. And in fourth week, I will help you to get your first client. Before that, I am Akinjan, a self-taught web designer and no-code developer. I am in the web design industry for the past 6 years. In this channel, I help designers just like you to avoid the mistakes that I have done so that you can launch a successful and profitable career in web designing. If you are learning alone or switching your career in web designing, you are at the right place. So consider to subscribe and hit the like button for more upcoming web design and freelancing videos. Before going to the first week, I hope you already know that we will design our website in Figma and then later we'll develop in Framer and Webflow. Coming to week 1, we will learn about the fundamentals of design along with Figma. I know it is impossible to learn designing fundamentals along with Figma in just 1 week. But guess what? I have a shortcut for you. In these 6 years of experience, I have taken many courses to learn the design fundamentals. And it was completely the same which was available on YouTube. Look, there are many free courses available in YouTube, but they won't give you a certificate. And that's fine with me. What I want is you to have a knowledge about this topic. The positive part of these resources are they are free and the same information is provided everywhere. And the negative part of these resources is there is lot of misinformation and no practical guidance for you. If you follow them blindly, you will just waste your time and nothing else. So, how can you master them in 1 week? Shortcut is take one topic from design fundamentals like layout, color, hierarchy, learn them in detail and then practice in Figma. What kind of video should you watch to learn about design fundamentals, or should you buy a course? And the sponsor of this video is, don't forward it. Look, I'm not here to sell online courses. Just the answer of this question is, first, you need to select a topic like hierarchy, color and layout. Search the topic in YouTube. Then, you need to find a video that has a proper detailed information about the topic along with a video tutorial so that you can practice and learn at the same time. For example, in my color and hierarchy video, I have provided the detailed information about them along with a tutorial so that you can practice with me. That's the way you can master the design fundamentals as well as Figma in just 1 week. And if this helps you, please like and subscribe the channel. Now coming to the week 2, mastering Webflow and Framer. As you already know, we use Webflow and Framer to develop websites. But why you need to master Webflow and Framer at the same time? Look, I am in this industry for the past 6 years and with that experience, I can give options to my client. I can create a website in Webflow, Framer, Wix, WordPress, etc. So learning all these platforms can give me an opportunity to give options to the client. And you can do that too. So let's discuss about the shortcut to learn Webflow and Framer in just 1 week. The shortcut is learning the common topic at one time. Look, Webflow and Framer both are no-code builders that has the same topic that you can master. Topics like fundamentals, CMS, animations, interactions, etc. So what you need to do is take one topic, learn them and you can practice them in morning and evening. For example, you can practice Webflow in morning and in the evening you can practice Framer. Practicing morning and evening, you can master this software in just 1 week. Then coming to the week 3, getting our hands dirty. By week 3, you have mastered Figma, Webflow and Framer. Now let's make websites. Take your one inspiration website, practice their design, understand their design thinking and try to develop the website in your Webflow or Framer. And with that practice, you will boost your confidence. Let me tell you, In my starting phase, I have designed and developed 70 to 80 websites just for the sake of practicing. But you don't need to do that. Just take one app or website from every industry and try to practice it. Now let's talk about AI and how you can implement AI in your design. If you already know, AI can design better than you, AI can develop better than you, AI can create website better than you. In week 3, you have to know, understand and learn how to implement AI in your designs. What you need to learn is how to use prompt to give you the exact outcome of whatever you have imagined in your mind. You need to address the feeling, the emotion, the process to get the outcome from AI. Learning prompt can be your first step to generate images, videos, brand colors, etc. and what is going on your mind. For that, you need to know the design fundamentals to give the specific outcome for your clients. Now, it is really easy to make sitemaps and wireframes using Relooms and other softwares. You can use them and learn about them. If you want a detailed video of how do I use AI in my designs, please comment below, I'll surely make a video on it. Now coming to the week 4, building portfolio and searching for clients. In this week, you will learn how to build a portfolio and how to get your first client. I have made a detailed video in portfolio, you can check this out. In this video, I have designed a portfolio website in Figma and then developed in Framer. You can watch this video here. And now let's find out your first client. But before that, I have something to say to you. The process of doing freelancing in just 1 week is just impossible. You cannot do that in 1 week. And no one in the world can teach you freelancing until you yourself can go and hunt for clients. I strongly suggest you to go for the offline market first. Try approaching them, try to know about the business and try to solve their problem. Look, freelancing is not that hard and it's not that easy. There are some secrets where these freelancers they never share it with you. First, I have made a freelancing videos, you can watch this, and the biggest secret of my freelancing I have shared in this video. So please go and watch this video. If you follow these steps, I guarantee you can earn your first income, and congratulations, you have got the ultimate clients.